Austin, Texas. Tyler here with Lone Star Door Refinishing, and I am proud to announce we are officially in town and are here to do what we do best, and that is take your door from faded to flawless. From wood, wrought iron, and fiberglass, we do not discriminate. Our master craftsmen have the skill set and years of experience to take whatever type of door you have and make it look as good as new. In most cases, better than new. As you can see here, we have a custom-built door that leads into the study of this beautiful estate here in Westlake Hills. The wood from this door was taken from over 100-year-old building on the UT campus. This building was tore down, and instead of scrapping that wood, our client decided he wanted to take that wood and build a customized door out of it. I know, cool, right? The type of wood on this door is called longleaf pine.
Hey. Knocking doors down. Hey. I came up with the hinges bent, palm full of plans and 100 cents. Paint on my sleeves, dust on my boots. Still I walked in like the room was due. Knocking doors down, I don't wait my turn. Took every cane and I let it burn. Old me stay broke, new me stay sharp. Made a few scars just to make them mark. Now they call when the light gets low. Now they ask how the hard part go. I was lost in the scrape and the grind. Now I move like I own my time. I'm knocking doors down, faded to flawless. Knocking doors down.
Guys, I'm very excited to be back in Austin where this all started almost 15 years ago. For a free estimate, you can fill out the form under the contact section of our website.
Watch me go.